What is up, everybody? Today we're playing a jailbreak, and in this episode, we're gonna be a prisoner, guys. Oh, officer. Hello. Hello, officer. Officer, how are you? Can I just take that? Like, I want that shotgun. Can I get open? What? Run! 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 Oh! Oh no. Is he behind me? Oh no. I pickpocketed the keycard. Oh no, I gotta run. I can rob the bank. Ooh. That's a good idea. Okay, this isn't good. I need to run. Get out of that car, sir. Oh, wait, no. Wait, let me in. Wait, no, let me in. Wait, let me in. I want to drive. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay. Yoink. And I think the prison is taken over? Who knows? It's shall be weird if they have, because then there's no prison anymore. Nope, that's an officer. That is an officer. I need to run. Okay, drive it away. Drive it. Oh, I crashed. That's not good. So, I'm gonna lock my car because I don't want people breaking in. As I said before, I'm Ninja Master 527, your main man, your best guy. Well, not your best YouTuber, probably. I'm not that good, to be honest with you. I've said it, not that good. But if you guys subscribe to my channel, give me likes and comments, and hit that little bell, then my channel will grow, and then I might be one of your best YouTubers. Who knows? I might end up being like world famous, but not yet, because I still need your help. So with your no. As I was saying, with your help, you can help me accomplish this dream of mine. No. I was arrested. In this episode, we're going to be prisoner. Next episode, we're going to be a police officer, keeping all them prisoners in line, making sure they don't escape. They will never escape. So, now, okay, those, I had the key card that time too. Oh, dang it, I can't take that. I had the key card that time. Ugh. I shouldn't have went to the garage. I should have just drove straight. Well, hopefully, I luckily get a key card back. Who knows? It's a mystery. Big mystery. No one will know until it happens. Run! The cops can't catch me because I'm faster than them. Yeah, faster than lightning, and speedy. I can do oh wait, oh no, is that a cop? Yep, that's a cop. Gotta go. Nope. Oh, that car flipped. Okay. Oh no, I gotta get out. Yes. Okay, I'm out of the way. Come on. Hey. The cop is right behind us. Oh no, I gotta get out of here. I gotta chase him. I gotta lose him. Gotta. Okay. Oh no. Is he right behind me? Come on, shift. Oh no! No, get in the garage! Oh, no! I thought it was in! No! Oh no. I just want to rob something. Please. I need the money. Why? Why can't I escape? Well, I guess my dreams of being a world prisoner in Roblox are also over. So that dream is gone, but I still have another dream. Could come true with you guys. Can I grab the shotgun? Like, it's just standing there, and like, I want it. It's a shotgun. So I just kept on driving. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Can I steal the key card? Guys, okay, guys, let's steal the key card. No! I need to get the pickpocket! I need to pickpocket! 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 Pocket! No! Pickpocket! No! Come on. No. Let me pickpocket you! No! Come on! Let me pickpocket! No! Let me pickpocket you! Come on! Let me pickpocket you! Come on! No! Yes! Wait, what? Oh! Oh, box. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna punch it. Come on. Run! Run, guys! Come on! We gotta escape here! Come on! Go! Drive! Oh no. Quick, I gotta go. Great. I'm beating that guy. Okay. Oh no. Quick, run! Oh no. I'm a criminal now, at least I escaped. Okay, come on, drive! No, get some. Oh, he's in my car. Oh no, there's a cop after us. I will. Get out of my car, buddy. You just got yourself arrested. Hopefully, because if he sees me again, he's probably not gonna be around anymore. He's probably gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me. And get it, officer. No, please. Please, I just want to escape. Be a good I'll be a good criminal, okay? I won't rob. I just wanna rob the jewelry store once and get like $500 I could buy a car for myself. Cause I heard there's a truck somewhere around town that's only $9,000. And I thought we could try to get that this time, so yeah, so hopefully, I can get myself a truck in Jailbreak. Oh, the train. Ooh, the train. I want to do that. I'm gonna hit the train. Hit the train. Come on. Ooh, $100. What do I do? Oh, ow. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. I'm getting money. Ah! Wait, I robbed them? I didn't know I robbed them. Quick, I gotta get up! Oh no, where am I? Oh no. Okay. I need to get on the bridge. No. Yes, no. Go on. Yes, no. I got chopped. No. Oh, okay, come on. Pop. Is there one back there? Okay, no, there isn't. Okay. Oh, no, get up, run, no. Oh, no. Just a man, lonely, a shotgun, and my pistol. I almost had enough money. Well, hopefully, I'll get it next time. You know, I have an idea. I'm going to wait where the train goes, okay? And then, once I go there, once the train goes, I'll just hop on, get in, and get the money. Simple as that. So, I just need to make my way back. Ooh, it's gonna take a while. Oh wait, I'm here. Wait, am I here? Is that it? Is that the? Oh, it's a criminal base. Okay. So, how am I gonna get up on top of the train? I need to get up on top of there. So maybe, I don't think I can make that. Wait, can I go up here? Let's check. Oh, yes I can. Okay, yes. Oh, I'm making that. Oh no. Oh wait, I can go through this like little like edge here. Go. Yeah. No. Yes. Okay, there we go. Yes. Yes. Yes, I made it. I'm here. Okay. Great. Now, I just need to wait a little while, and then I gotta jump off the bridge, or jump off soon as the train comes. Oh no. Oh, dude, that guy stole a cop car. Dude, do you see that? Did you see that? He stole a cop car. Well, that's awesome, man. I wanna work with that guy. He stole a cop car. But, we're gonna be waiting here a while because train doesn't come around here all the time, probably, so we're gonna be waiting a little while. While we wait, you guys can go sit back, go get a bag of popcorn, I guess, and I don't know what I'll do. I'll just wait for the train. Gonna go wait the train. I'm gonna rob it, guys. I'm gonna rob it. Rob the train. Rob the train. Rob it. Sir? Oh! Hi. Hi. Sorry. Sorry about before. Sorry about before. We be cool? About what? Get you out. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're cool. Well, we're gonna be here. Is that an officer? Better not. Oh, okay, that's a criminal. Good. I was gonna say, that's an officer and he arrested me. I'm gonna be a little frustrated, you know. Is that the train? I hear. Is that the train I hear? Oh, sent me a little request. Sure. Whatever. Okay. Man, this is gonna take forever. I won't. Now, oh, no! Oh! Okay, come on. Okay. And, okay. Okay, yes. No! No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I just need 100. Wow. No. It's great. That is a great. And that guy's gonna go chase after the rest of them, aren't you? Okay. Well, I think we've learned our lesson of being a prisoner. So let's go join the cops and why am I in here? Why am I I'm in a cell. Like it. But okay, now I'm gonna go and whoops, I hit the caps lock. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna arrest some people. Wait, what's the bounty list? There's only bounty for $2,000. Whoa, man, that guy. Wait a second. I know that guy. Bounty $5,000. Wait, what? bounty's $5,000? Or wait, what? That's confusing. Okay. I don't want them to steal my key cards. We're gotta be sneaky, you know. Gotta put on my guard's outfit again. So I gotta go get that. It should give me a notification if I get robbed. Oh no, no! Hey, 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 come on, get back here! Arrest! 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 No, arrest! Arrest! I arrested him! Yes! I have $9,000! Guys, it's time. I'm gonna go get my shotgun. Not my shotgun. Yeah, my shotgun. Police cap. To look cool. Now let's go. Police action. Let's do this. Let me go to the roof. I get myself a helicopter. Is that door shut? Better be. Okay. Boop. And wait, what? Wait. Wait. No! Nope! No. Get arrested. Get shot for what you did. Get killed. Yes. And yeah. There's no heli. I'm upset. But who cares about a helicopter? Ow. That hurt a lot. Okay. Who cares about a helicopter, guys? Let's go get ourselves that car that we were gonna buy. So let's head to the gas station wherever it is. Somewhere over the reindeer. Somewhere over the rainbow. I don't know why I said reindeer. Okay. Where is this gas station? Oh, there it is. Yes. Okay, guys. Oh wait, that's the train station. That's the gas station. Here we go. Let us get the car. What? It's not here. Oh, there it is. Yes. $9,000, guys. We're about to buy a car. $9,000. Pickup truck. One-time purchase. Boop. Yes. This is now our car. Let's see how fast this thing can go. Ooh. Because I'm an officer that has police sirens and stuff. Oh, let's get our light on. Oh, drift. Oh no. No, just keep on going. Let's arrest some people. You know? This is my police car though. I'm gonna go to the garage first of all. Oh! Well, there you go. I just ruined my car. That is great. Go to the garage real quick and paint my car, make it look all nice and spiffy. You know what I mean? And no, that's okay. Who cares anymore? So let us go to the officer. Hello, sir. Why can't I get out of the garage? No, let me get out of the garage. Come on, let me out. There we go. Now let's go arrest some people. Let us go into the vast wild and arrest people. Yes. Let's head to the criminal base. They'll probably come on. Why don't you let me over this hill? Car. Let's go. There you go. Okay. Now let's head to this criminal base here. Turn on our sirens. Let them know that the police are here and we're here to arrest you. So let us go arrest some people. Is the door locked? Oh no, it's open. Strange. Oh, no one's here. Jewelry store. No, gotta go there. To the jewelry store. Arrest them. Arrest him. Here. Oh no. I'm sorry guys, I'm not that good of a driver. Let's go. I don't speak Spanish. So I don't know what that guy is saying. Oh no. Is my car stuck? No. No. Shush. Sirens. No. No. Go away, sirens. No. Yes, there we go. Let's. Okay, you know.